Alright, boys and girls, today I'm going to take you on a journey to North Sister, which is perhaps the oldest and most brittle of the Cascade volcanoes that tops 10,000 feet of elevation. I'll be starting from the northeast over here at Pole Creek Campground. It's boogie time, baby! Well, it's after 6 o'clock and I left Pole Creek Trailhead about an hour ago. View's starting to open up. It is September now, so there shouldn't be any snow on my route. We should be good on thunderstorms today. There was a little lightning in the mountain range last night, but it's supposed to come down to measly 10-mile-an-hour winds today. Alright, after about 2 hours, I'm up where there was a running stream back here in July, and it's just bone dry here in September. My watch is indicating 6,400 feet. Well, I'm just shy of my 2.5 hour mark. I made it up to the lower pool, which I've never seen completely dry. I've never been up here this late in the year. So just like last time I was here, I'm going to hug this ridge. Just like last time, the ridge is rocky. Once I get up into the next bowl area, it's all going to be rocks. There was one guy that set out before me this morning. Don't know where he's at. And then I just recently got passed by a guy that's by himself. Once I see he made it, I'll know that I can make it. Not too worried about today. Just got to get it done. Alright, so into the second hole. This is the one that I hopped in last time I was here. Now it's looking a little dirty. I'm about 10 minutes shy of my 3-hour mark, and I've gone to the top of the second bowl. Once I make it up this next head wall, I'll be in the last bowl, and I can circle around to the back side of the summit ridge. Snow's looking pretty rad. This is the kind of area where the more you look at it, the longer it takes to get through it. You just gotta start walking. Oh, I'm just taking off the ridge. Someone right in front of me. It's loose, just like North Sister always is. So behind me I got the last chunk of the ridge to hit up before the traverses. Man, look how muddy that hole is right now. Let's go around the other side of this rock. Well, I didn't realize I was filming that whole time. So I'm coming down this hill into the first traverse, and so this is kind of where the green line starts. So it's the first traverse where you have like a fall to your left and a cliff on your right. I have to go up a notch around the other side of this rock instead of going down around there. Do not go out there. Alright, I just came up this notch after crossing the first easy traverse. Now, you don't want to try and climb up this rock. Just gotta work your way around. And as you get close to this ledge over here, see it tightens up a bit, and then it's a little loose. But once you get across that little fall zone, it's super easy to run up to that point up there. Alright, now at the base of this big boy, I'm going to hit the real traverse. I knew this fire smoke would work up throughout the day. There's fires to the southeast and west. So I just came down the little hill, going into the second traverse. I don't want to make this look easy, because it is loose and sketchy. So don't be fooled by my experience, my style and ease. I just know how not to slip. It is a little unnerving. Only slightly though. See how sideways the ground is? It's not that bad. Okay. Just made it around. And one more. This is the one that's got an anchor in the middle of it. Should probably switch to my helmet cam so I can use my hands. Oh, there's my friend up there. Okay. So the danger here is that you can't grab onto anything uphill. Alright, this is all loose plate rock. Don't go there. Focus on your feet. It's just like that. Halfway across. Looking down without fear. Oh yeah. Okay. Hocus focus. Okay. See, that's the terribleness of the traverse, and not much worse over here. I think this is the point where I'm not going out there. I'm gonna follow this up. So here the rock climb begins. Trying not to move my head around too fast for you. So again, I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna go this way. Don't touch loaded piles like this. Go right around it. Okay. There it is. This is good climbing rock. Yeah. You don't get this at the bottom of the mountain. You gotta work for it. Oh wow. Holy shit. I should have gone the other way. Oh my God, that is so sharp. This is solid, but just keep an eye on me for the next 20 feet in case I knock something loose. Okay. One side. Oh boy. It's hard to stay relaxed over here. All right. Hell yeah. I got a beaten path. That pretty much does it. Pretty common anchor point. Dear God. You just didn't want to come back?
20 years. I did each one 20 years ago. Nice. Now what? I was telling Alex here, I did each one of these like 20 years ago. Nice. But I've been thinking about the traverse since then. We'll see if today's the day.
Well,
good climbing next to you.
Yeah, maybe if I lollygag, I'll run back into you.
Yeah.
I would say this is like kind of minimal, but
I mean, the effort's way more.
I wouldn't do minimal. I wouldn't say that these are minimal, like minimal shoes. There's definitely more minimal shoes.
This is a cool spot.
But then it's like.
Oh, dang. They're going that way. I don't like any of these holes. Last time I was out here, there was nobody. Now there's at least 3 parties. Some people just climbed up over there. And the rest of their groups coming across the traverse right now. Trying not to knock any rocks loose because there's a girl below me. Some kind of person. Rock, pebble. Alright, you're good. Cool. Man. Really fun.
You down climbed it? No raft?
You know, I brought this 8-pound rope and it was just going to be more trouble to pull it out.
Rocks down.
Howdy. Hey, you're on camera.
So fun, so fun.
Oh, yeah. Not that way.
No, I've tried that.
So I'm at the very bottom of the bowling alley now. Yeah, baby. Highway to the danger zone. Sweet. I shouldn't have done those butt squats 2 days ago because now I'm making old man noises. Alright. Oh my god, I almost tripped. I guess I'm taking all 3 of these. Ooh, 4 of them. Picked up my trekking poles where I stashed them here. After doing the climbing sections, walking back across these traverses is like sitting in a chair. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Could have used that. Right. Just did the middle traverse and we're gonna cross back over the ridge. All right, looking back at that same point I was just standing on. But yeah, got to go back down here around the other side of this rock. This notch to my right. And straight down here. You know what? Going on this way. That's it. Yeah, right down here. Nothing to it. Just came down the washout. And now you can see the first traverse we came through. From there on, all I gotta do is follow the footpath down the ridge. Yeah, boy. So as I cross the last traverse to the ridge, I am, what am I f***ing saying? I'm going back up from here to the pinnacle of the ridge. There, be easy to climb down that. Alright, so now I see my route. Get into the slippery stuff. It's everybody's favorite. Got another 1,500 feet to go back down to the crotch. I don't know what to call it. At the bottom of the summit ridge. Just gotta be a 4-legged creature until it's over. This specifically, the top of the mountain's fine. All right, good progress. We have nearly dismounted this beast. Woo! Might as well climb one more thing while I'm out here. Jesus, look at that loose bitch. If I had yanked on that a little harder, could have been the one. Yes. Gosh, I've been out to this place a lot of times and it's awesome. I'm trying to make quick work of this last part of the ridge. God! Ow! Motherfucker! Ow. God. Y'all know the deal. I'm trying to get down this as fast as possible so I can dump the rocks out of my shoes. Scream Master. Oh my god. Well, that was not fun as usual, but did it. Got down to the top of the bowls. It's been almost 7 hours, so I'm doing pretty good. Hard in the ankles. Knee, right knee, left ankle, left hamstring. Those are my, oh, and both of my big toes. The big toes, no buff. It's kind of a cool scene with the muddy water dripping off the bottom of the glacier. I ain't swimming in any water this time. Dirty. Gotta say, I don't know why, but this big red face of rock out here in the open, it's just one of my favorite spots out here. It's like, reminds me of Lake Powell or something. Ooh, I'm nibbling on the tree line. I'm surprised I'm not seeing any tents in here because usually there's some campers. Maybe it's because there's no more water left up here. I really should take a break, settle down a little bit. But it's just hard when you want to get on with your life. So there were 3 main differences doing North Sister in September versus July. One, it wasn't as hot, which helped out a lot. Especially because I brought the same amount of water and really didn't need all of it. Second thing was the mosquitoes. This was a fantastic day. I never had to outrun any mosquitoes. There were a lot in July because there was still a lot of water from the snowmelt. The third thing, which made all the difference, there wasn't remaining snow actually covering the terrible traverse like there was in July. That made the technical portion very easy. Now my feet hurt. Sprained my ankle earlier a little bit. Up on the mountain I got hit with a rock trying to baby it on the way down, and I finally just rolled it really good and I've been stepping squarely on it since. It'll be alright in a couple weeks. But also had brand new trekking poles. If I ever do North Sister again with friends, I want to rappel off the summit block. And like I'm coming in at 9 hours and 45 minutes. It easily would have cost me an hour if I did 2 rappels up there safely.
The end.